Hello, it's Michelle from CNC Designs. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in New Zealand, and I'm just showing you the 3 cards that you can purchase a PDF tutorial, which has video links, so you can make these at home. These feature the Zany Zoo collection, stamps, dies, and paper, but you can make them out of any products that you have at home. So here is a step card, fun fold card, and there's the back of it. And with this one, I've actually added a wobble, so the cheetah, the ballerina cheetah, dances. This one is a spinning ballerina, and when you open it up, it spins. So you need to spin it first before closing the card. And this is a color changing card. So you pull this out, you get a special message, and the llama gets colored in. So to be able to make all these cards, you can purchase the PDF from me, and there's a video. Check out my contact details above. Thanks so much. Bye.